Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mahdi English. I'm Emma.
And I'm David. We're very happy that you're joining us today.
Today's topic is something that everybody loves.
That's right. We're talking about food.
Food is one of the easiest and most enjoyable topics to discuss in English.
Absolutely. Everyone eats, everyone has favorite foods, and everyone has memories connected to food.
That's why talking about food is a great way to practice English.
Whether you're speaking with a friend, meeting someone for the first time, traveling abroad, or sitting in a restaurant, food is always a useful conversation topic.
Today, we'll learn how to talk about favorite foods, describe flavors, discuss restaurants, share food memories, and use useful English expressions related to food.
We'll also practice many simple sentences that you can use in real conversations.
So grab your favorite snack, relax, and let's begin.
Emma, let me ask you a question.
Sure.
What's your favorite food?
That's an easy question. My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza is popular all over the world.
Yes, and I love it because it's simple, delicious, and there are so many different types.
What's your favorite pizza topping?
I love mushrooms, cheese, and fresh vegetables.
That sounds delicious.
What about you, David?
My favorite food is grilled chicken with rice.
That's a healthy choice.
I know. It's simple, filling, and very tasty.
Do you cook it yourself?
Sometimes, but honestly, my mother still makes the best grilled chicken I've ever eaten.
That's interesting, because food is often connected to family memories.
Exactly. When I smell grilled chicken cooking, it reminds me of family dinners when I was younger.
Food has a special way of bringing back memories.
That's true.
Listeners, when someone asks about your favorite food, don't just say the name of the food.
Try explaining why you like it.
For example, my favorite food is pizza because it's cheesy and delicious.
Or, my favorite food is grilled chicken because it's healthy and full of flavor.
Adding a reason makes your answer more interesting.
And it helps you practice speaking longer sentences.
Let's learn some useful phrases.
You can say, my favorite food is,
I really enjoy eating.
I love it because.
It reminds me of.
These simple phrases can make your English sound more natural.
Now let's talk about different tastes.
Good idea.
Food can taste sweet.
Like chocolate, cake, and candy.
Food can also be salty.
Like potato chips and popcorn.
Another common taste is sour.
Like lemons and certain fruits.
And many people enjoy spicy food.
Especially foods from countries like India, Mexico, and Thailand.
Let's practice.
This chocolate cake is sweet.
These chips are salty.
This lemon is sour.
This curry is spicy.
Great job.
Now let's learn some more words.
Crispy.
Soft. Fresh.
Creamy.
Can you give us examples?
Of course. This fried chicken is crispy.
This bread is soft.
This watermelon is juicy.
These vegetables are fresh.
This soup is creamy.
Excellent.
The more words you know, the better you can describe food.
And describing things is an important speaking skill.
Now, Emma, do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
I love making pasta
Why pasta?
because it's easy to prepare and there are many different recipes.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I enjoy cooking breakfast.
Really?
Yes, eggs, toast, fruit, and coffee.
That sounds like a great breakfast.
Cooking is another wonderful way to learn English.
That's true.
When you cook, you learn many useful verbs.
Such as
Cut, mix,
Bake, boil, fry, cook.
Let's use them in sentences.
I cut the vegetables.
I mix the ingredients.
I boil water for pasta.
I fry eggs for breakfast.
I bake cookies in the oven.
These are common verbs that English speakers use every day.
And if you watch cooking videos in English, you'll hear these words all the time.
That's a great way to learn naturally.
Absolutely.
Now let's talk about restaurants. That's something everyone experiences.
Whether you're traveling, meeting friends, or celebrating a special occasion, restaurants are a part of everyday life.
And knowing how to order food in English can make you feel much more confident.
Imagine you're sitting in a restaurant and a waiter comes to your table.
The waiter might ask, "Are you ready to order?"
And you can answer, "Yes, I'd like the chicken sandwich, please."
Or, "Can I have the pasta, please?"
Notice that we often use please because it sounds polite.
Good manners are important in every language.
What if you want something to drink?
You can say, "I'd like a glass of water."
Or, "Can I have an orange juice?"
Or even, "I'll have a cup of coffee."
Sometimes people want to know what's inside a dish.
In that situation, you can ask, "What's in this dish?"
Or, "Does this contain nuts?"
That's especially important for people with food allergies.
You can also ask, is this spicy?
Or, "Can you recommend something?"
Let's practice a simple restaurant conversation.
I'll be the waiter.
And I'll be the customer.
"Good evening. Are you ready to order?"
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
"Would you like anything to drink?"
Yes, I'll have a glass of water.
Excellent choice.
Thank you.
That was simple and natural.
And those are exactly the kinds of conversations you'll have in real life.
Now let's move on to another important topic.
Healthy food and junk food.
Many people try to eat healthy food every day.
Healthy food gives your body energy and nutrients.
Examples include fruits, vegetables, fish, eggs, and whole grains.
These foods help your body stay strong.
On the other hand, we have junk food.
Junk food often tastes great, but contains lots of sugar, salt, or unhealthy fats.
Examples are candy, chips, soda, and many fast foods.
Do you eat junk food sometimes, Emma?
Of course.
Really?
Yes, I think balance is important.
I agree.
I enjoy healthy meals most of the time, but I also enjoy ice cream occasionally.
That sounds reasonable.
What about you?
I love burgers and fries,
Who doesn't?
but I try not to eat them every day.
That's probably a good idea.
Listeners, here are some useful sentences.
I try to eat healthy food.
I eat vegetables every day.
I drink plenty of water.
I avoid too much sugar.
Simple sentences like these are very useful.
Now let's talk about food memories.
This is one of my favorite topics
Why?
because food is connected to emotions.
I completely agree.
Many foods remind us of special people and moments.
For example, my grandmother used to bake chocolate cookies.
Really?
Yes, every Sunday afternoon.
That sounds wonderful.
Whenever I smell freshly baked cookies, I think about those afternoons.
That's a beautiful memory.
What about you?
My grandmother used to make homemade soup.
Was it good?
It was amazing.
What made it special?
It wasn't only the taste,
What do you mean?
it was the feeling.
I understand.
The whole family would sit together, talk, laugh, and enjoy dinner.
Sometimes food is really about the people we share it with.
Exactly.
Listeners, if you want to talk about food memories, you can say,
This food reminds me of my childhood.
my grandmother used to make this.
My family always ate this during holidays.
This dish brings back good memories.
These sentences are simple but meaningful.
Now let's imagine we're talking to a new friend.
Good idea.
I'll start.
Go ahead.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta
Why do you like it?
because it's delicious and easy to cook.
Do you cook it yourself?
Yes, usually on weekends.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I like creamy pasta with vegetables.
That sounds tasty.
What about you?
I enjoy grilled chicken and rice.
Do you cook often?
A few times each week.
What's the best thing you've ever cooked?
Probably homemade pizza.
Really?
Yes, it wasn't perfect, but it tasted great.
That's what matters.
Exactly.
Making conversations like this helps you practice English naturally
And food is one of the easiest topics for beginners.
because everyone has something to say about it.
Everyone has favorite foods.
Everyone has memories,
And everyone eats every day.
which means you can practice this topic anytime.
Before we continue, let's learn a few more useful expressions.
Great idea.
I'm hungry.
I'm starving.
I'm full.
This smells amazing.
This tastes fantastic.
Would you like to try some?
Can I have another piece?
These are phrases you'll hear very often.
And using them will help your English sound more natural.
The key is practice.
Listen,
Repeat.
use the phrases.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Every mistake is part of learning.
And every conversation helps you improve.
Exactly.
Now, let's explore food from around the world. That's one of the most exciting things about food.
Every country has its own special dishes and traditions.
And trying food from different countries is a great way to learn about different cultures.
Have you ever tried food from another country, Emma?
Yes, many times.
What's one of your favorites?
I love Italian food.
Me too.
Pizza, pasta, lasagna, and risotto are all delicious.
Italian food is popular almost everywhere.
What about you?
I really enjoy Japanese food.
What's your favorite Japanese dish?
Sushi.
That's a popular choice.
I also enjoy ramen and tempura.
I've always wanted to visit Japan and try authentic Japanese food.
That would be an amazing experience.
Have you tried Mexican food?
Of course.
What's your favorite?
Tacos.
I knew you were going to say that.
They're delicious.
I agree.
What about Indian food?
I enjoy Indian curry.
Many Indian dishes are rich in flavor and spices.
That's what makes them special.
Listeners, when talking about food from different countries, you can say, I've tried Italian food.
My favorite cuisine is Mexican.
I'd like to try Japanese food someday.
I enjoy food from different cultures.
These are useful sentences for conversations.
And they can help you connect with people from around the world. Now let's learn some fun English expressions related to food.
These expressions are called idioms.
An idiom doesn't mean exactly what the words say.
For example,
Piece of cake.
Does it mean actual cake?
no.
It means something is very easy,
For example, the test was a piece of cake.
meaning the test was very easy.
Another common expression is spill the beans.
That sounds funny.
It means to reveal a secret.
For example, come on, spill the beans. What happened?
Exactly.
What's another one?
Cool as a cucumber.
Meaning calm and relaxed.
Right.
For example, she was cool as a cucumber during the interview.
Here's another one. In a pickle.
That means you're in a difficult situation.
Exactly.
Like, I'm in a pickle. I lost my wallet.
Idioms make English more interesting.
And native speakers use them often.
Don't try to memorize hundreds at once.
Learn one or two at a time.
And use them naturally.
Now, let's have a fun challenge.
A food quiz?
I'll describe a food.
And I'll try to guess it.
Ready?
Ready.
It's yellow.
Okay.
It's sweet.
Interesting.
Monkeys love it.
A banana.
Correct.
My turn.
Go ahead.
It's round.
Okay.
It's usually red. People use it in salads.
A tomato.
Exactly.
This game is actually very useful for learning English.
Because it helps you practice describing things.
And describing things is an important communication skill.
Let's do one more.
Okay.
It's cold.
Cold?
It's sweet.
Sweet?
Children love it.
Ice cream.
Correct.
That was easy.
A piece of cake.
Nice use of the idiom.
Thank you.
Now, let's talk about comfort food.
Comfort food is food that makes you feel happy, safe, or relaxed.
Many people have comfort foods from childhood.
What's your comfort food?
Hot soup on a cold day.
That sounds comforting.
What about you?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Why?
Because they remind me of home.
That's the power of food.
It's not only about taste.
It's about memories and emotions.
Exactly.
Listeners, think about your comfort food.
What food makes you feel happy?
What food reminds you of home? Try answering those questions in English. Even simple answers are excellent practice.
Now, let's do a quick review.
Today, we talked about favorite foods.
We learned how to describe tastes.
Sweet,
Salty,
spicy,
sour,
crispy.
juicy.
We talked about restaurants,
How to order food politely.
how to ask questions.
And how to communicate confidently.
We discussed healthy food and junk food.
We shared food memories.
We explored foods from different countries.
And learned some fun English idioms.
Most importantly, we practiced speaking English naturally.
Remember, language learning doesn't happen in one day.
It happens little by little,
Conversation by conversation.
sentence by sentence.
And day by day.
So the next time you eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner,
Try describing it in English.
talk about the taste.
Talk about the ingredients.
Talk about why you like it.
And talk about the memories connected to it.
The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
Don't wait for perfect English.
Start speaking with the English you already know.
Every small step matters.
Every conversation helps.
And every mistake teaches you something new.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
And we hope you learned many useful expressions.
Keep practicing.
Keep learning.
Keep speaking English every day.
This is Emma.
And I'm David.
Thank you for listening to Mod English.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Take care, everyone.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, and enjoy your favorite food today.